Welcome back to more spooky science on DIY Science. Ah!
And cut.
All right, thanks. Appreciate it. Of course it's fake blood. You can buy fake blood at a store like the Reinke Brothers. Or, believe it or not, you can find all the ingredients in your own kitchen to make your own fake blood. I like to use water as the base for my fake blood, but you could go to the store and find some fruit juice, and that would be great as well. I'm gonna start with about a cup of water here, and I'm gonna use food coloring, a lot of food coloring. So here is our red food coloring. You think that's a tremendous amount? You are correct, but I want that deep red for the blood. Then add in some corn syrup. All right, so that's gonna thicken it up a little bit, and each time I'm going to blend it so I can take a look at it. So here it is. It only takes one time forgetting to put the lid on, and you'll remember for the rest of the time you're making fake blood. Let's add some blue food coloring to make it more purplish. Look at that, a little bit better. Here, let's take a look at this and see what it looks like. Here, take a look at this. Okay, so here it is. It's not bad. The problem here is that it's too transparent. So the secret is to add a little bit of cornstarch. Okay, a lot of cornstarch. It'll help thicken it just a little bit. Let's see. You can actually see it on the sides. It's sticking a little bit more on the sides. That looks good. Let's see what this looks like here. Oh, this is a little bit better. Yeah, look at that. Not bad at all. But you know what? I think it needs to have a little bit more richness and color, and so that's where the final secret ingredient is, and that's cocoa powder. Remember, all of this is stuff that you can eat. That's why we're trying to use all materials that you can find in the kitchen. Okay, that is looking pretty good. All right, I think this, oh, look at that. Yeah, it even has a good splatter to it. That's gonna be great. That's gonna look super. So the final thing is get yourself a syringe, because why wouldn't you? And this goes in here. It just looks so much better. It looks good here. It'll look good on anything. So, Higgs, come here. Higgins, come here. Take a look at this. Here, watch this. Look at this. Oh, look at that, Higgins. Isn't that awesome? Look at you.
Really?
What? It's science. They go through plenty of syringes filled with fake blood on movie sets. Whenever you want to make a costume look really scary and more realistic, all you need is a little bit of fake blood.
Delicious.
There's more from the Steve Spangler Mad Science Labs coming up.